After much effort and commitment, we are pleased to provide you with excellent recipes of your preference. To watch more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. After every video, I would be delighted to receive your feedback to the queries I post in the comments section. I eagerly await your replies. In 2023, we will explore the steps to making my newest healthy and easy keto oatmeal recipe. Oatmeal is a staple breakfast food for many people, but it can be difficult to enjoy on a ketogenic diet due to its high carbohydrate content. However, with a few simple ingredient substitutions, it's possible to enjoy a delicious and healthy keto oatmeal that will keep you in ketosis while satisfying your craving for something warm and comforting. Ingredients: half a cup almond flour, a quarter cup coconut flour, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon baking powder, a quarter teaspoon salt, half a cup unsweetened almond milk, a quarter cup coconut oil, melted, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons erythritol or other keto-friendly sweetener, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, half a cup keto-friendly oat-like flake cereal, such as Keto and Co brand. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, mix together the almond flour, coconut flour, cinnamon, baking powder, and salt. 2. In a separate bowl, whisk together the almond milk, coconut oil, eggs, sweetener, and vanilla extract. 3. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir until well combined. 4. Fold in the oat-like cereal. 5. Allow the mixture to sit for 5 minutes to thicken. 6. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. 7. Using a quarter cup measuring cup, scoop the batter onto the skillet. 8. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown. 9. Serve with your favorite keto-friendly toppings, such as butter, sugar-free syrup, or whipped cream. This keto oatmeal recipe is a delicious and easy way to enjoy the comforting taste of oatmeal without the high carbohydrate content. By using almond flour and coconut flour instead of regular flour, and keto-friendly sweeteners and oat-like cereal, you can enjoy a healthy and satisfying breakfast that will keep you in ketosis. It's also a versatile recipe. You can add toppings like berries, nuts, seeds, or any keto-approved food that you like. This recipe can also be made in advance and stored in the fridge for a quick and easy breakfast on busy mornings. In addition to being a delicious breakfast option, this keto oatmeal recipe is also packed with healthy fats and protein, making it a perfect meal to start your day. The coconut oil provides a source of healthy saturated fats, and the eggs provide a source of high-quality protein. In conclusion, if you are on a ketogenic diet and missing oatmeal, this recipe is a perfect alternative. It's easy to make. What did you learn in this video? Please leave a comment below, and I will answer it. Also, let me know what topic you would like us to